So, in conclusion, Amazon has embraced innovation. The company has not had worries with the user of innovation. They use innovation as measurements and end up with flourishing business ideas. They experiment, learn through outcomes, and try new ways of doing things. They have put the customers as their first priority. Everything that the company does gears towards attracting customers through quality of services, availability of products, assurance of delivery, and addressing customer feedback. These factors have helped the company become a multinational and multi-million company where customers flock every day. So, in this essay, the author explains about the Amazon. The company has done extremely well in the market, achieving remarkable success. Explains that Amazon has built its success in business methodology and slowly. It started as online book selling company but changed operations and started selling other products. Explains that Amazon uses apps to create an ecosystem of customers around its application. Amazon has 900,000 affiliate companies. Explains how Amazon uses information technology to attract customers and cut on middlemen and reviewers. Explain that Amazon has used internet to sell its products easily, such as we can say streaming an original internet video show called Amazon Fishbowl with Bill Maher, which features musicians, comedians, movie stars, and directors. So, explain that Amazon has invested a large amount of server capacity for its website. It has the capacity and capability of handling excess traffic during holidays that attract many customers. Explain that Amazon does not collect taxes from customers who live outside its physical presence, which has helped it to edge uh, other other online companies. Concludes that Amazon has embraced innovation. They use innovations as measurements and end up with flourishing business ideas.